AI shit. What kind of tackle was that?
Welcome back to the Professional Dishwashers League, and we already have an attack by Blue Chick and the keeper. What the fuck?
Nah, this is AI. There's no way any of this is real. This is all AI.
Is against the underpaid objects. Will she shoot? Ooh, the fucking dishwasher has let it go in. Get your cheeks in the kitchen and make me a juicy sandwich, mommy.
Wait, is this real?
Plays the ball back to the underpaid keeper. Oh, the dishwasher has missed the fucking ball and it's a goal. I think this object needs to go fetch me a beer.
Are these real clips?